Hi, I'm Jen, and welcome to Inkscape in a Hurry. Today's lesson is about basic shape creation. Design Space has a lot of basic shapes for free, but making them in Inkscape lets you do things that Design Space can't, like putting text on a path. So this lesson also serves as a base for some later, more advanced lessons. Let's get started. First, I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see a little better what I'm doing. So we're going to do two shapes today. First one over here is the square. I'm just going to click on it. Click to set your top left corner and then drag. And actually, depending on what direction you go, a corner could be anywhere in your shape. So I'm holding the mouse button down, the left mouse button, and when I want to have the shape as I like it, I'm just going to let go. And there you go. Then I can make a bunch more shapes. Save. Now let me get rid of all of those. I'm going to undo. I just went up here to edit, undo. Gets rid of all my past steps. Now if I want, for instance, to make a shape around a certain point, that's why I put these guides in here. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to click and hold the left mouse button down. I'm also going to hold down Shift at the same time. You'll see the shape comes out from the center of where I started. So if for some reason you're doing a design in Inkscape and you want your shape to come have a certain center, you can start it there and hold down the Shift button, and it'll come from that point. Now if you want to make sure your shape is a square, you can hold down the Control button while you click and drag. And my shape will be a perfect square. You can also do Shift and Control at the same time. I'm going to do a square from that center point on my guideline. A couple steps down below square is circle. You're going to click on that, and it works the same way as square. You can make all kinds of ovals, or you can also do the Shift if you're going to draw from a certain point. Control if you want a perfect circle. Or Shift and Control on a circle with a certain point as the center. And that's all there is to making squares and circles, rectangles, and ovals in Inkscape. Pretty simple. Just like the lesson we learned in the making a basic SVG of text, if you want to, for some reason, take the shapes you make and turn them into an SVG that you can use in Design Space, you're going to use your little arrow tool. And my shape was already selected, but you can also click on it to select it. You're going to go up to Path, to Object to Path. And if you look down here in the status, you'll see it says Path 4 nodes. That's how you know it works, that this object is now a path. And then you can just save it, and you're able to upload it to Design Space as an SVG. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.